Welcome to Autofocus Review, your trusted channel for the latest and most detailed motorcycle insights. Today, we're diving into the much-anticipated 2020-25 Royal Enfield Hunter 350. Let's find out why this bike is creating waves in the biking community. The Royal Enfield Hunter 350 is back for 2025, blending heritage and modernity like no other. Known for its retro looks and youthful charm, the Hunter 350 has gained a loyal fanbase. But this year, it promises to deliver even more. With new features, better performance, and stunning design tweaks, the 2025 Hunter 350 is ready to dominate city streets and open highways. Design a perfect blend of retro and modern. The 2025 Hunter 350 stays true to its roots with a retro-inspired design, but it now comes with fresh updates. The round headlamp, teardrop fuel tank, and minimalist tail section scream classic Enfield. But the details make the difference: sharper tank graphics, an updated LED headlamp, and a sleek digital analog console. Royal Enfield has nailed the balance between nostalgia and innovation, making this bike a visual treat. Engine and performance smooth and reliable. Under the hood, the Hunter 350 continues to feature the robust 349cc J-Series engine, but with a few tweaks for smoother performance. It now delivers 20.2 bhp of power and 27 Nm of torque, perfect for urban commutes and weekend getaways. The refined engine provides a buttery ride, whether you're cruising at low speeds or pushing it on the highway. And thanks to its excellent fuel efficiency, the Hunter 350 is kind to your wallet too. Comfort and handling built for every rider. The Hunter 350 has always been praised for its comfortable ergonomics, and the 2025 model takes it further. Its wide handlebar and well-padded seat ensure long rides are a joy. The 800mm seat height makes it accessible to most riders, and the slightly rear-set foot pegs add a sporty touch. With its nimble handling and lightweight feel, this bike glides effortlessly through traffic and handles corners like a pro. Technology simple yet smart. Royal Enfield keeps things straightforward, but effective in the tech department. The updated digital analog instrument cluster displays essential information like speed, fuel level, and trip meters. Plus, the Tripper navigation system now comes as a standard feature, making it easy to explore unknown roads. It's not overloaded with gadgets, but it has just enough to keep modern riders happy. Braking and suspension confidence on every ride. Safety has been a priority in the 2025 Hunter 350. The dual-channel ABS ensures controlled braking even in tricky conditions. The front telescopic forks and rear twin shock absorbers have been finely tuned for a smooth ride, absorbing bumps with ease. Whether you're navigating uneven city roads or cruising on highways, the Hunter 350 feels stable and composed. Color options, something for everyone. The 2025 Hunter 350 comes in an exciting range of new color options, catering to different personalities. From bold dual-tone schemes to subtle matte finishes, Royal Enfield lets you express your style. These fresh colors add even more appeal to an already stylish bike. Price and final thoughts. With a starting price of around Rs 1.7 lakh, the Hunter 350 offers incredible value. Its combination of classic design, refined performance, and rider-friendly features make it a standout in the 350cc segment. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer, this bike is hard to resist. Conclusion. The 2025 Royal Enfield Hunter 350 continues to be a fantastic all-rounder. It's a bike that speaks to your heart and delivers on its promises. If you're looking for a machine that's stylish, reliable, and fun to ride, this might just be the perfect choice. That's it for today's review on Autofocus Review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing bike content. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.